Hello everyone, I am Ms. Dipali Patil, science teacher from Signet Public School, New Nare. Living things continue to live on earth because they reproduce. Reproduction is the biological process in which living things produce young ones like themselves. Student, today we are going to learn reproduction in animals. It is the characteristic of all living things. All living things grow, reproduce and die. Animals reproduce in two ways. Some animals lay eggs, for example, fishes, frogs, snakes, birds and crocodile. Some animals give birth to young ones. For example, cats, dogs, cows, tigers and human beings. Many animals reproduce by laying eggs. These are called egg-laying animals. The egg of all birds have the same kind of internal structure. So, let us understand structure of an egg. Student, do you like to eat egg? Eggs are healthy. It contains proteins, vitamins and minerals. So, I have this egg over. This is hen's egg, and if you look at this egg, this white covering is called egg shell. It is thin and hard protective covering. Albumin is a white and soft jelly-like substance. It is rich in proteins. The yellow part of the egg inside the albumin, the yellow part of the egg inside the albumin is the yolk. It is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals and contain nutrients for the growing embryo. An embryo is the unborn growing baby. Inside the egg, the embryo goes through various stages of development. The different stages of development of an embryo to become an adult is known as the life cycle of an animal. Now we will learn the life cycle of hen. When you are born, you are a small baby, but with development you started crawling, talking and walking. These are the different stages. Similarly, every animal undergoes different stages in its lifetime. Now according to definition of life cycle, different stages of development of an embryo into an adult embryo means the stage when an animal still inside the egg. When an animal is still inside the egg, but the development is going on an adult. Let us discuss life cycle of a hen. The life cycle of a hen start from an egg. The hen sit on the egg. After some times the egg hatches and small yellow colored chicks comes out. Hatches means to come out of an egg. Hatches means to come out an egg. The chicken will then grow and become an adult hen or cock. Now student, let's move ahead. Next point, you have seen butterfly in the garden. How they are roaming in the garden. Do you know how they born? Let's see the life cycle of butterfly. The stages in the life cycle of butterfly are egg, larva, pupa and adult. A butterfly lays eggs on the leaves of the plant. These eggs hatch and young ones called larvae or caterpillars come out of the eggs. The caterpillar first feeds on the egg shell from which it is born. It then starts feeding. It then starts feeding on the leaves and starts to grow. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow. Once the caterpillar is big enough, it stops eating. It then forms a protective layer around itself. This stage is called chrysalis. In this stage, the caterpillar is now called pupa. The pupa remains motionless in the chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa undergoes a series of changes. After about 15 days, a beautiful adult butterfly emerges out of the chrysalis. When the butterfly comes out, its wings are small and wet. The butterfly pumps fluids into its wings to make them strong and to expand. After a few hours, the wings become strong enough and the butterfly is able to fly. This series of changes in the life cycle of a butterfly is called metamorphosis. So student, today we have learnt structure of an egg, life cycle of hen and butterfly. I hope you all are understood. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay happy.